What 3 things you can do as a buyer in today's housing market? Are you still consider buying the home of your dream in today's market but are feeling a bit uncertain about the rising mortgage rate and affordability? Hi, I am Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate, and I want to share with you 3 important tips you can do as a buyer shopping in today's housing market so you do not have to hit pause on your plans. Tips number 1. If you have been concentrating on a specific area that now seems out of your price range as a buyer, you may need to expand your search area and criteria that could be more affordable. Opening up your home search to a location further out may open up more options as a buyer. Also, prioritizing your wish list to not include all the upgrades you had originally planned can help reduce the cost of your purchase. These can be items you can do yourself down the road. According to the recent article in CNET, area growth is likely to keep pace with the market, which means at the outskirts of town might be hoping with 5 years. By searching in the nearby city, you may find better prices and more square footage. Tips number 2. Work with a good lender and experienced real estate agent who can discuss different loan type, scenario, and alternative financing program available to you to get the best possible rate and could save you thousands of dollars over time. Tips number 3. In today's market, it is key as a buyer to shop for programs that point you in the right direction for your home purchase. When shopping, look for certain options like gift fund, down payment assistance, and grants. Today, there are a wide variety of programs and benefits available for certain professions, which include first responder, veterans, teacher, and medical professional. And as always, feel free to connect with my team and I so we can help guide you in your search in more affordable direction. I am Danielle Bilumbu with DBK Real Estate. And remember, at DBK Real Estate, my team and I, we have the result that will move you. À bientôt!